India. India is the pharmacy of the world. India ranks third for the production by volume and 14th by value. There, 60% of world's vaccine is exported from India, and 20% of the generic medicine is exported from India. India is a home of 3,000 manufacturing company and around 10,000 manufacturing hub. India is having highly skilled resource for these pharmaceutical companies. The Institute of India is the largest vaccine producer of the world. It has produced around 1.5 billion of vaccines. The pharmaceutical industry in India offers 60,000 generic brands across 60 therapeutic categories, such as the generic drugs, OTC medicines, API or bulk drugs, vaccines, contract researches, and manufacturing. India sent its medicine to 170 countries in the world. More than that, the current value of India's pharmaceutical company is around 50 billion US dollar. The growth rate of India is around 11%. It is estimated that India is expected to reach around $65 billion of pharmacy by 2024, and by 2030 India's pharmacy companies will be valued at 130 billion. We have seen that during the COVID-19 pandemic, India was at the forefront of the world for delivering the drugs and the vaccines. According to a data, India has exported 5.84 billion 84 crores of vaccines to 70 countries in the world as of March 2021. The Indian vaccines are one of the cheapest vaccine in the world. The studies say that the average Indians pay 70% less than the global medians. But as always, there is another side of the story, and that is the import of the active pharmaceutical ingredients or API, the intermediates, and the bulk drugs. Most of the raw material of India is imported, and out of that, around 70 to 80% is imported from China. China is the biggest exporter of the API. Even the paracetamol that we use for fever is imported from China, and that actually adds the massive bill to India. India's pharma industry is a key player of global healthcare landscape, and it is expected to grow and innovate in the upcoming years. For that, India needs to be independent of the raw material import, and India should start making its own raw material.